Good morning. How are you doing, kids? Well, I hope everybody's fine. I'm fine too. Thank you. And well, I hope you have a nice 3-day weekend. We have lots of holidays right there, and I know you enjoy. Okay. Now we're going to continue with Unit 11. All right. And remember, we did this part here last week. I think there are very important words, and we're going to go through very quick through them, and we're going to add up new words, all right, with a new worksheet. Okay, look, here we got purple, bird, girl. Our purple bird for the birthday girl. Now we have some food and drinks. Remember, the food is the one you put on a plate and you eat it, you chew on it, and you bite and you chew on it, okay? And the drinks are the ones you pour in a glass or from a bottle and you drink it, okay? Here in food, we got some burger, sausages, meatballs, fish, fries, tomatoes, and carrots. And for drinks, we got lemonade, orange juice, milk, and water. Here we have a proper way of asking and answering about food. The girl says, "What would you like to eat?" And the boy says, "I like a burger and fries, please." And she asks him again, "And what would you like to drink?" "I like orange juice, please." Perfect. Okay, now uh, we I read you the story. Remember the story? It was Marie's birthday. And the fun part about it is Trevor, because Trevor, he want to do a pencil cake. Come on, please. You cannot eat a pencil cake. Yeah. I'd rather have a chocolate cake, a lemon cake like Marie, or orange cake, strawberry cake. There's lots of flavors, but not pencil cake. Come on. Only for Trevor. Yeah. All right, let's go. And here, wow, look. Beautiful farm here. And what happens with the farm? Okay, we got animals, trees, and plants. This is healthy, very healthy. This part over here, plants and trees, and of course, milk. We need milk for us to grow, be strong, tall, and strong bones because vitamin D and calcium, we need it. Okay, so we got milk, meat, eggs, carrots, potatoes, and lemons. We get milk from the cows, of course. We get meat from the animals. We get some eggs here from the chickens here. Okay, we got carrots from the plants, potatoes from the plants, and lemons. Where's milk from? Animals. Yeah, because the goats give us milk too, to do cheese. Really good. Okay, now here we got there as eggs are from trees. No, very simple. Now look here. Okay, we got breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So let's go through these two pictures. I have one, and you gotta tell me which one are we talking about. Okay, number one or number two. I'm gonna help you out with it. Okay, let's see breakfast. Here's your breakfast. All right, let's see what we have in toast, orange juice, fruit, and an egg. Which one am I talking about? Yeah, you're right. Number two. Very good. Now let's see lunch. What have we got for lunch? Okay, today for lunch we have orange juice, chicken, tomatoes, carrots, and an apple. And I think there's some potatoes there too. Wow. Which one are we talking about? Yes, you're right. Of course, number four. Very good. How about dinner? Dinner's on the table. All right, let's see what's on the table. All right, we have some tomato juice. Yes. We have meat, potato, carrots, and a bowl of fruit. Wow, that's a tasty, very good dinner. Which one are we talking about? Of course, you're right. Number five. Yeah, you got it right. Great. Okay, now let's go to the worksheet. Okay, see if it opens. Takes a while. Open up. Worksheet, Mr. Worksheet, open up. Where are you? Oh, what happened here? Okay, now look at this. Okay, we have some words over here. I'm gonna be very slow with them, and you're gonna write it down in the correct position. Okay, for example, number one, purple. That one is already on. Number two, girl. Number three, birthday. Number four, skirt. Number five, bird. Number six, shirt. Number seven, 13. Number eight, burger. Great. Now, here down below, okay, this is kind of hard, so you can write down the words we have, the words we did, purple, bird, um, a birthday, cake, things like that, okay? Because, all right, let's see. It says, Happy birthday, Simon. It's your garden party, okay? Now, let's see. Tell me things that you will see in your garden party. Balloons, for example, a birthday cake, okay? Purple shirt, things like that. I don't know. Go through it. I know you can do it very well. So write down whatever you want right there, okay? Something that you would like to have and something that you would see on your birthday party, okay? Now, here, remember, we have to put down the stickers, okay? Cake. Uh, every sticker you put on, you have to write down the number. I'm gonna let you put whichever you want, okay? All right, so don't worry about it. If you have the stickers at home, put them on, write down the name of it, okay, down below. And it doesn't matter if you put it on number two, number three, number five, the sticker. Just name it correctly, okay? Well, kids, remember I'll send you last week worksheet with the answers so you can check it at home. And hope you have a great day. I think it's very simple. Remember the words: birthday, burger, girl, purple, shirt, skirt, 13. One more time, okay? And have a great day. I'll see you next Thursday, okay? And we're gonna finish, all right, this unit on this week. So next week we're gonna start with the last unit. Yeah, we are almost over, guys. Let's go for it. Okay, lots of kisses and hugs. Mom, love you guys. Hope to see you soon. Remember, okay, have a distance with strange people in the street, 2 meters. Okay, you make two big steps. Don't make them, but think about the two big steps, and that's almost the correct distance. All right, have fun, enjoy, help mom and dad, and remember, love you a lot. Okay, bye. See you later.